Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing our house lunch menu, that is baked fish combo, and also few updates on our Canada weather. Also, I will be sharing in detail how to prepare this full fish as well as where you can buy, and also my personal review whether you can buy this fish once again or not. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. Look at the weather outside. It is very cold and icy cold. You can see all plants and trees, and everywhere you can see watery things. Everything is frozen. This was because last night it was fully raining, but the temperatures were completely extremely low. That made all the water which rained became ice-like. That is what had happened to the trees. This crystal-like trees and plants all were looking very beautiful. For me itself, it was so new. I'd never experienced this before. I was just trying to play with all things and trying to just pull it out and see whether it will break. It was so hard, it was very icy cold. The weather is really very cold that it is not breaking also. You can see they were looking really beautiful. That too, when there was a sunshine, it looked like crystals are shining up. Now let's get into our lunch menu. I bought these fishes from Costco. In Costco, every time I see but never thought of trying it. I am also trying this fish for the first time, but of course tilapia I used to buy the fillets, but like this whole fish, this is the first time. Yesterday we bought it and kept it in the freezer. Now I am going to just defrost it for a little while, leave it in the water. I will always think that these fishes will have to be cleaned very hard. It will be too much to clean and all, but it was not like that. Along by the side of fish, I will be preparing rice and some vegetables. I will soak rice and moong by the side. And these fishes, you can see they are nice and clean. If you want to remove the eyes, you can remove or just leave it, no worries. Everything was clean, nothing you had to do, only remove the side fins and tail if you want, but I just removed the fins, and even the scales and all you don't have to remove. This is tilapia fish. There are many other this kind of fishes also, right? Red snapper, bass and all was there, but I chose to buy tilapia. This fish, if you buy as fillet, there will be no bones at all, but here in this big visible bones, so easily you can discard it. I just made with simple ingredients: ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard, salt, pepper and oil and lemon juice. That's all I'm going to take, not too many ingredients. I'm not going to take any corn flour or besan or anything like that. I want to keep simple. Next time I will make like tikka masala or like tandoori masala also. Just this simple masala I will be applying and marinating this fish for approximately half an hour. Not too long also. But you can marinate this fish overnight. It will be nice only. Every time I see this in Costco, but never thought of buying by thinking that it will be a hassle and have to clean a lot and all. But one of my friend told that no, we don't have to clean anything. It will be fully clean, neat and tidily it will be kept, and you have to just bring and cook it. That's how I bought these at home today. Let's prepare khichdi. I have taken oil and ghee together. In that, whole spices, onions. Onions should not be brown, just translucent is enough. Ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, green chili, little bit of tomatoes, and nicely fry until aromatic. Then I will be adding little bit of carrots, optional it is, and moong dal. For 1 glass rice, I have taken half glass moong dal. This is the ratio I am going to prepare today. Nicely give it a good mix for 1 minute, and then I will be adding the rice and salt. Water is 1:2. For 1 glass of rice, 2 glasses of water I will be using here. That's the ratio I am going to. While cooking, keep it on high for 5 minutes and on low for 10 minutes. Your rice will be very much ready. Now I will bake the fish. For baking, always take aluminum foil like this on tray on which you have to apply oil. Don't forget to apply oil, otherwise you will find difficulty in flipping the fish while cooking. I will bake this fish at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. That's it. You are always free to fry it on tawa also. You can do it on tawa, but I have baking option, so I am going for it. In our combo, I will be having some stir-fried vegetables also. These a very beautiful blend of stir-fry vegetables. It's a special blend. This also I bought it from Costco only. It is approximately 2.5 kgs big bag. In this various multiple vegetables combination, it is very tasty, crunchy combination. Definitely give it a try if you are going to Costco. In a pan, I have taken little bit of oil and little bit of butter together. To that I will be adding all these veggies, salt, pepper, give it a good stir, cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Even less than 5 minutes is more than enough, only until it defrosts. That's it. Now fully 25 minutes is over. The fish is completely cooked. At this point, I will be just giving a splash of butter on top on both the sides, and I will keep it on grill mode or broiler mode for 2 minutes on both the sides to give a nice crispy layer on top of the fish. That's it. For stir fry masala, you can add any sauce of your choice. I have added the Thai sauce, that is Thai chili garlic sweet sauce. I will be adding. You can also use Maggi hot and sweet, that also will be nice. Regarding bone in the fish, there are very few bones by the sides only, that too very visible, very easily you can discard it. Don't worry. Our rice is ready, stir fry vegetables are ready, fish is also ready and baked. That's it. While serving the fish, I just missed the clip of scraping the fish out of the bones. Sorry about that, but it's very easy. Just on top, one side alone, you have to scrape it flat out of the bones. It will come very easily. And also you can see I will be plating it beautifully. Always remember, before eating, your eye eats. That satisfaction itself will give you loads of compliment. Definitely try like this. Fish was perfectly cooked and I was able to handle it so neatly. I'm sure you also will love it. Just give it a try. Once our lunch is done, I will show you what was left and how the bone will be. That's all. This was the remaining things. These two center bones and the head was the remaining thing out of that fish. The remaining fish I scraped and kept it in a bowl for our next meal. I will use it in our next meal. That's it. Everybody loved this fish in our house. It was a very different experience though. Very tasty fish as well. Very mild flavors were there from today's masala. Next time I will be definitely trying many other flavors as well. I will be sharing that too. Sure, you also try and leave a comment. Last week the weather was little bit warm, but instantly in 2 to 3 days weather completely changed. It became very cold again. This was the situation. Icy cold rain with nice crystal like trees and plants all over. Weather was also very chill, and today's present weather is also very cold. It was snowing last night and even raining with ice. Because of that, schools are off today because it is snow day here. With great enthusiasm, I started playing with all these icy cold fruits, plants and all. Finally, I end up having my hands fully frozen. It was paining and literally I was not feeling my fingers too. Hope you all like this video and like the recipe as well. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.